Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai, in this case, girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever, significant other, into Mexico, getting that person into Mexico. And I see a lot of this in the context of fiancé visas, or I should say, folks who are looking to try to get a fiancé visa. They often say to me, we'll be discussing the K-1 process, or even, I've heard this in immigrant spouse visa cases. People just say, well, what if I just bring her into Mexico? And years ago, not so much now, but I used to hear people say, well, what if I just bring her into Mexico and sneak her into the United States? It's like, well, first of all, that's human trafficking, and that's not a good idea. Secondly, Mexico is not just like open in terms of immigration. Now, I'm not going to get in deeply into Mexican immigration here. But what I do, and what I would like to point out, is Mexico, the United States, and Canada do have certain bilateral arrangements, and in fact, they're multilateral usually between the three countries with respect to immigration. So it's not just a walk in the park to apply for a Thai to get a Mexican visa. People have this kind of strange presumption that, oh, you can just walk down to the Mexican embassy and pick up a visa, no problem. Now, again, I'm not an expert on Mexican immigration, but I have seen folks try this over the years. And Mexico, again, we've gotten into this analysis at length on this channel, but under Section 214B of the American Immigration Nationality Act, if someone is the significant other of an American citizen, that can be deemed to be a sufficiently strong tie to the United States, thereby causing the denial of a tourist visa application. Well, Mexico is not blind to American immigration law. They can see, oh, there's an American citizen involved. They're trying to get a Thai national and meet up over here in Mexico. Well, they're clearly trying something here. And Mexico, in my experience, has not been just open to allowing that to happen. So I've heard this a lot in recent weeks, and it didn't come up for a long time. I didn't hear this said to me, but in the last about 2 weeks, I've heard this a few times over the phone. Well, what if I just get her into Mexico? And it's mostly her. It's usually in a fiancé context. And long story short, I do understand the immigration process, especially right now under this administration. And then on top of it, it's sort of compounded by the response to COVID. It's cumbersome and it's time consuming. But yeah, trying to get someone into Mexico in lieu of America, I would say that has no prospects probably of succeeding, again, to the 99th percentile. I can't say for certainty, but I would say very unlikely. The next thing is bringing a foreign national to a third-party country and then sneaking them into another country. That, as I said earlier, that's pretty much human trafficking. In fact, that is human trafficking. That is not a good idea. So the thing to take away from this video is just because you can't get your fiance or girlfriend into the United States doesn't necessarily mean Mexico is just a ready option to be able to get that person onto the North American continent.